Chapter 2. At the Zoo. What animals can I see at the zoo?
You can see many animals at the zoo. There are lions, tigers, and bears. Some zoos have monkeys and giraffes. You can also see birds, fish, and reptiles. Each zoo has different animals to explore.
Can we feed the animals at the zoo?
Most zoos do not let visitors feed the animals. Feeding can be dangerous for the animals. The zookeepers give them special food. Some zoos have places where you can feed small animals. Always ask first before feeding.
What is the best time to visit the zoo?
The best time is usually in the morning. The animals are more active then. It is also cooler, so walking around is easier. Zoos can get crowded in the afternoon. Early visits are usually quieter.
Can I touch the animals at the zoo?
Most animals at the zoo are in cages. You cannot touch them. Some zoos have special areas where you can pet small animals. You may be able to touch goats or sheep. Always follow the zoo's rules.
How big is the zoo?
Zoos can be very big. You might need a map to find your way. Some zoos have many sections. There are areas for different animals like birds, reptiles, or mammals. You may need a few hours to see everything.
Can I ride a train at the zoo?
Yes, some zoos have trains. The train takes you around the zoo. It is a fun way to see the animals without walking. Not all zoos have this, so check before you go. The train is great for children.
Do zoos have shows with animals?
Some zoos have shows where you can see animals perform. You might see birds flying or dolphins swimming. These shows teach you about the animals. The zookeepers explain how they care for them.
How do zoos help animals?
Zoos help protect animals. Some animals are endangered and need special care. Zoos make safe homes for them. They also teach people about animals and nature. Some zoos help animals go back to the wild.
Can I learn about animals at the zoo?
Yes, zoos are great places to learn. You can read signs near the animal enclosures. There are facts about where the animals live and what they eat. Some zoos also have classes or talks.
Can I bring food into the zoo?
Some zoos allow you to bring your own food. You can have a picnic in special areas. Many zoos also have cafes where you can buy snacks. Check the rules before you go.
Are there dangerous animals at the zoo?
Yes, some animals are dangerous. There are lions, tigers, and bears. These animals are kept in safe enclosures. You can look at them, but you cannot get close. The zoo keeps everyone safe.
Can I see baby animals at the zoo?
Sometimes there are baby animals at the zoo. When animals are born, the zoo will care for them. Baby animals stay close to their parents. It's fun to see them grow. Some zoos tell you when new babies are born.
Can I take photos at the zoo?
Yes, you can take photos of the animals. Some zoos have special photo spots. You can take pictures near the animals but not too close. Be careful not to scare the animals with bright lights.
What should I wear to the zoo?
Wear comfortable clothes and shoes. You will walk a lot, so good shoes are important. Bring a hat and sunglasses if it is sunny. A jacket may be needed if it's cool. Always check the weather before you go.
Do zoos have playgrounds?
Yes, many zoos have playgrounds for children. You can take a break from walking and play. Some playgrounds are near picnic areas. It's a fun place to relax during your visit.
Can I see animals from other countries at the zoo?
Yes, zoos have animals from all over the world. You might see kangaroos from Australia or pandas from China. Zoos show animals from different environments. It's exciting to see animals you don't normally see.
How much time do I need to see everything at the zoo?
You may need a few hours to see all the animals. Some people spend the whole day at the zoo. It depends on how big the zoo is. Plan to take breaks for food and rest.
How do zoos keep the animals healthy?
Zoos have vets to care for the animals. They check the animals' health every day. The zookeepers feed the animals good food. They also make sure the animals get exercise. Healthy animals are happy animals.
Can I adopt an animal at the zoo?
Some zoos have adoption programs. You can give money to help care for an animal. You don't take the animal home, but your help makes a big difference. The zoo will give you updates about your adopted animal.
Is the zoo a fun place for children?
Yes, the zoo is a great place for children. They can see many animals and learn about them. Zoos often have fun activities like feeding small animals or watching shows. It's a fun day out for the whole family.